Hello, this is William Raschke, Educational Technology 578, Professional Learning Network Reflection. This is, to start off, my website. Um, it's kind of proud of it, but I want to go back and reflect on why I'm proud of it before we dive into the website itself. I apparently don't like sharing things with others because before this class, I thought of myself as a very technology savvy human being, and I mean, I guess by most standards I am, but um, in this class I struggled. In particular, the block came when I was asked to share my technological know-how with others. I think at my age, I kind of hoped I was past the bad at sharing stage, but it turns out when it comes to technology, not so much. Um, I'm very good at the first part of sharing, which is the receiving part. I'm all sorts of ways of intaking information, reading others' blogs, tweeting, Facebook, just in general, all sorts of ways of intaking information when it comes to educational technology. But the output's been a struggle for me. It's a bit of a new thing for me, struggling with technology. But I'm working on it. And my first step brings us back to the website. A variety of ways of sharing on here. I have a blog that I've been copying over my blogs from Blogspot for the class. Teaching samples. So I have I document projects on here with a brief write-up and then pictures. Gone well so far. And action research and tech resources, which is what I did for this class. Little repository of knowledge of different types. Internet quality of life improvements. I shared some of these in a blog earlier. I figured out different ways to link things. I've got a drop-down menu link, as well as links down at the bottom. Fun stuff. I've tweeted a bit. It's kind of feels like pulling a tooth every time I hit that tweet button. Working on it. And of course I've got the blog. However, in terms of just the technology itself, I've been having lots of fun. I share it with my students every day. There's Drive that we use quite a bit. Two main uses that I have for it that are sharing oriented. One is that my fellow teachers and I will share things and work on them and develop them. We do it with lesson plans. We do it with spreadsheets where we're keeping track of information. So this is here to make sure that all the students turn their book back in on time. And the other one is sharing with students. And for this I have this folder. I recommend this to everyone because it has saved me so much time. I make a folder when I started the class. I shared it with every single student, giving them view-only privilege so they can't mess with the stuff in there. And then every time I want to share something with every student without sending an email or anything big, I can just drop it in here. All sorts of resources. And if I make a PowerPoint, I can drop it in here. So look here, we're doing a project. We've got some new stuff. And another way to keep track of things where all the students can see what's going on. It's worked out really well so far. There's a new tool, Doctopus, that Jeff's turned me on to that I'm just exploring, but haven't gotten into it yet. And then Remind 101, which I was pretty impressed with using. It's worked really well. Student feedback is great. My action research actually is on the project that we're doing, and my student leaders, my team leaders, have made their own Drive folders in the same format and shared it with their teams. And they've also made their own Remind 101 groups for their teams. So my knowledge is going down, past sharing it with teachers and students. Now I just need to take the next step and get it out to a bigger audience.